Here at the Hotze Health and Wellness Center, as the new guest consultant, I am often asked the question, why should I take natural bioidentical hormones? I'm afraid of hormones. Why are these different? What we really want you to know is that anything from a pharmaceutical company that has a patent on it is coming from a chemical source versus a plant or animal source. And the big pharmaceutical companies have to alter the molecule structure of the chemical to get the patent on it. Now it no longer fits exactly into the receptor site on the cell. The only way you can get a molecule to fit into that receptor site on the cell is if it comes from plant or animal, and you can manipulate it in a compounding lab to be an identical molecule. Now when you take it, the body, the brain thinks, oh, I recognize that. That's like the ones that I make. And it utilizes them in a balanced state. So I use the analogy a lot, what would you like with your sandwich today at lunch? This apple grown on the tree or this artificial apple flavor that we concocted in the lab? Which would you like? Naturally, you're going to want to eat the apple that was grown off a tree. Why? Because it just tastes better. Because when you eat it, you feel good, you feel full, you get nutrients from it, and your body knows that, and it tells you in the form of health or satisfaction. Same thing with the hormones. When you take natural bioidentical hormones from plant or animal source that are manipulated so that the molecule is identical to what the body makes, then your body utilizes it. That's really the main thing for you to know. Our compounding pharmacy is accredited. What that means is it's put through many more standards, potency checks than just any compounding pharmacy. So if you have used compounds from other pharmacies and you didn't get any good results from it, chances are it wasn't the best quality. And the providers may or might have known how to give you a physiologic replacement dose in a balanced state. There are so many wonderful health-giving benefits from taking natural hormones as long as you mimic nature and the dose of nature and the balance of nature. That is why taking hormones is like the fountain of youth.
Beautiful.